Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So in this video we're just gonna focus on Gbpusd and see what the pair might have in store for us for the week. Alright, so as you all know, we always start on the monthly time frame to get an overview of the market. Alright, so what I like to do, I like to mark out my outer structure. Okay, so after that we have our outer structure right here. Okay, and right here. Alright, so this move right here, this is one large correction. Alright, but within that we have an impulse, a correction, impulse, and a correction. Alright, so now that we have our outer structure, we then move to the weekly. Alright, as you can see here, we have our first touch, our second touch, and our third touch. Alright, so my long-term move would be the third touch of this outer structure, because we have our first touch here, a second, and I'm anticipating a third touch. Okay, let's move down to the weekly time frame. As you can see on the weekly time frame, on the third touch of the trend line, we have had another confirmation of this double top right here. Alright, so that gave us more confirmation that we're heading towards the downside. Alright, let's head down to the lower time frames and I'll show you guys how you could have taken advantage of this move right there. Right, so that is on the daily time frame. As you can see here, it gave you a nice candlestick formation. Alright, indicating that sellers are in control and that we could see more movement towards the downside. Okay, let's just head down lower. Okay, so on the 4-hour time frame, let's just wait for this thing to load real quick. Right, there we go. Yeah, so on the 4-hour time frame, what we do have here is an ascending channel. Okay, an ascending channel is a reversal. You might have heard me say that in my previous videos. Is a reversal type of channel. It indicates to us that price is heading towards the other side. Alright, so you can also see we had a first touch here, a second touch, and at the larger double top, the weekly double top, it gave us another third touch. Okay, and obviously we're looking to fill this 90% rule right here, right, as our long-term targets. And if it does decide to push lower, we have our outer trend line. Okay, the monthly target. If you move down one time frame lower, you could have taken advantage is, if you notice here, we had an ascending channel within an ascending channel that gave you more confirmation. Okay, because we do have our first touch here, our second touch, and obviously we're selling at our third touch. Okay, so you could have entered a risk entry, okay, up there, your stop loss just above the weekly double top, or gonna place your stop loss just right above this trend line. Okay, it's up to you, but I like to make sure stop loss is 40 pips or 50 pips. Right, let's just make it 40. Okay, then first target would obviously be the trend line, the outer trend line, and then long-term move would then obviously be the 90% rule of the outer structure. Okay, the larger ascending channel. And obviously on your way down you could have had more entries. Okay, you can see you could have had one right here. Right, and you could have had one right here. Okay, and obviously we're sitting now at this current structure. Okay, so for this move you can sell the break, okay, of that structure, or you can wait for a possible double top. Okay, so you would then, if you want to sell the break of that structure, your target would then be the low right there. Then obviously you would have something like that. Then your stop obviously 40 pips. Right, but if you want to wait for price to push higher, could then look for a possible entry up here. Okay, and stops 30 pips or 40. Let's make it 35. Obviously we'll target that up there, and your target would be at the bottom. Okay, so that's just my view on GBP USD and what might happen within the next coming weeks. Okay, so yeah, I will keep you guys updated with Nasdaq within the week and what we might expect. Alright, so yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and yeah, leave a like, subscribe, and if there's any questions or things you guys need to know, just send me a message or leave a comment. Alright, so yeah, I will see you guys on the next video. Have a great trading week, and see you guys. Cheers.